Yeah, good afternoon, guys. So you can actually create this body flyer on the Android smartphone using our Pixel app. So this is the rough sketch of the design. So let's look at it together. So this is the rough sketch. So we want to bring this to life, including the images, the write-up and everything. So this will serve as a roadmap for what we are going to create. So when we look at it, it has a lot of some sketch. So bringing this to life, it is what I'm going to show you guys step by step. So the first thing is to select the background we want to use, the background size. So it will be 1024 by 120. Then we will have this. After that, I have the background which I'm going to use. So I'm going to select the background quick, and this is it. And when we look at it, it's somehow similar. So after that has been done, the next thing is to bring up the image. So when we look at it, this is the image you want to use. Everything is already planned. Then we use something to blend it, which is the shadow. So when you look at it, it's already blended now. So look at it, it's almost the same. Okay, perfect. So after that, the next thing we need to do is to put in the write-up, the name of the celebrant, which is Roslyn. Now, looking at the font, we have to use a font called Zenobite font, Zenobite. So we are going to adjust this to Roslyn. We increase the size. So we have to look at it critically before repositioning into this. So we have to position it here. Perfect. So after this has been done, then the next thing is to crop up a shape like this, which will be, let's look at it. This is padding. So let's look at the padding. Okay, perfect. Reposition to center. So we'll look at it critically. Everything seems to be perfect. So now crop this particular shape, reposition here, position it here, then we'll bring it under this. Now crop it. Perfect. So what we're going to do now is to give it a color. So we're going to give it green, red and yellow color. So we have a red like this, red. So we have our yellow, like this. So what we're going to do next is demarcate it. So let's see. So if it look like this, we have to place it this way until when we're satisfied with it. So I guess we are cool. So next thing we need to do after achieving this is to put on the name Oluwani Solami Adeyemi Oluwani Solami. Okay, then we can maintain the same font for this by reducing the size and reposition here. Now make it bigger a little bit, then reposition. Now Adeyemi. Okay, perfect. To reposition very well. Okay, perfect. So now put in the message here. So we can look for better font for this. So let's say semi-bold, achievable. So we can reposition this here. Then we have to space it very well. Putting in a quote here. Now centralize. Perfect. So boom, we're done with this. We can shift this up a bit. Okay, perfect. So now we have the whole design done. So thanks for watching, guys. I believe we'll learn something from here. God bless you. So in no time we're able to come up with this, and this is actually cool. So we can go on with saving the stuff and move on with editing. So after saving, then the next thing we need to do to make the whole stuff cool is this. I want to just believe we can shift the whole stuff up a bit. So let's shift it without the image. Okay, perfect. So bring the root line down a bit. Okay, perfect. So now we can still centralize everything. If it is cool, good. We can manually adjust. Okay, perfect. So we can now receive the whole stuff. Then after this has been done, we can go to editing application called airbrush. We'll bring in the image. So the first thing is to go to the brighten, where we're going to bright the high. So we increase it. Auto, we'll increase it so that the highs will be the dark, which is under the high. We're going to adjust the iris a little bit. The teeth is not open. We'll go to contouring. So the cheek, we can just adjust a bit. The forehead, the nose, we can adjust. The eyebrow, adjust. The lips, we can adjust it to make it cool. Then we tap OK. We can go to highlighter. We apply auto. Increase it a bit and tap OK. The details, just apply the auto. Tap OK. Now we go to skin tone, then we select it automatically. You see, cool the whole stuff. So we can increase it a bit and tap OK. So after that, we can go to tools, where we go to relight. Under the relight, we select this. So we can brighten the upper, it depends, and we can choose this. That will give us the true color. So we can adjust the color how we want it to be, either the green or the blue. Okay, so now I prefer the green to have the two color like this. We tap OK. Now we go to enhance the sharpening. We sharpen the whole design a bit, then apply the saturation a bit, tap OK. So the next thing is to save the whole design. So after this, we can go to another application called photo editor. The photo editor, polish photo editor. So we bring the design we just edited, which will be the first one here. The first thing is to restore the color. So I'm going to go to here and go to enhance. So I'll allow it to do the stuff automatically. So we're waiting. Okay, it will give it a perfect touch that we actually wanted. So what we needed now is sharpening, just sharp a bit to make the design come out. Then we'll go to saturation, increase a bit. So after that, we tap OK. We can care to go to effects, go to light effects. So we can look at the one that can perfectly match what we're looking for. So take it for instance, if you have something like this, will it be cool, or this, or this, or this? So I guess this be cool. We can tap OK. Then we go to enhance and tap enhance to enhance the overall design to make it look more brighter. So after that, we reach the end of the design, and this is step by steps. So other two applications which I use, the hairbrush and photo editor, is just an optional if you want your design to go from the level of intermediate to pro level. You can actually go ahead, and when you look at it, this is boom. I have to just save the whole design and tap OK. So looking at the whole stuff now, everything seems perfect. Now let's go to our photo and have a preview of our design. So this is the design, and boom, you can see perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.